3, lesson 16. We're going to call this the rolling shin trap, or this is Jason Scully's version of the shin trap wrestle up. So we can break this down into a couple little pieces here. The most important thing for us to realize, and this will be the fun part about it for the kids, is the roll under. So we're going to roll under one way, and then we're going to roll back the opposite way. So the shin trap, most important part of this. We talked earlier in this block on maintaining dominance inside. Then we talked about monitoring their lead leg with this foot. Now, when we commit our foot to the inside and we actually want to work into our shin trap to wrestle up, we want our outside leg. They got their right up, it'll be my left, so outside, outside, and then I'm going to scoot in, I'm going to catch. So I want my shin trapping her shin, and I'm around the back side of the knee right here. Now the dynamic part of this is that I'm going to roll on my side. I want to try to kind of go up underneath their back. Essentially what I want to do is I want to put their knee on my chest and make them kind of kneel on my chest. Now, there's going to be an elevation with my foot as well on the backside. So as I go here...
Does this person need to be standing all the way up, or should it be more of a squatted?
You can be kind of squatting. As a matter of fact, if you want to put your hand down as I roll through, it probably help a lot to make this leg really, really light. So from here, I'm going to roll up underneath, and I've got them in this position, and they're kind of, the knee is down on my chest. It's not really, really heavy at all. It's pretty light actually, and I've got the ability to lift and elevate her and kind of move her any which way. So I rolled one way. Now I'm going to simply roll back the opposite way, and it allows me to start to wrestle up and go ahead and hit my passing sequences right here. The fun part of this for the youth will be the roll under. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make sure and tell the opponents, the standing person, just put their hands on the mat and catch themselves as they move through here. So I scoot in, my foot is inside, I'm knee to chest. I'm going to shoot my hand down underneath, and I'm just going to roll and bring that knee down to my belly. Now I'm coming down here staring at their knee, and I'm going to just simply switch the opposite direction, and I come back up to my knees. And now I'm going to initiate my passing sequence and go ahead and finish out from right here.